وزیر خارجہ بلاول بھٹو زرداری بالی میں اس وقت نیوز کانفرنس کر رہے ہیں، آپ کو براہ راست لے چلتے ہیں۔
We are under no illusion that the road to achieving universal access to education for all, including women, is often long and arduous. However, generation after generation, women have demonstrated that with inevitable spirit, they can shatter glass ceilings, overcome seemingly insurmountable obstacles in life. Women across Pakistan continue to shatter the glass ceilings every day. We also believe that society needs to promote an enabling environment that empowers women and mainstreams their participation in society. This conviction derives from our faith that emphasizes education and respect for women and their participation in economic activity. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, our faith teaches us that one should seek for his brothers or his sisters what he desires for himself. We expect from our brethren in Afghanistan is something that we already practice in Pakistan and across the Islamic world. Upon the interim government of Afghanistan, the imperative to promote the right of all peoples of Afghanistan, including women and girls. We hope that our Afghan brethren will make the right choices. Excellencies, over the last 40 years, the people of Pakistan have opened their homes and hearts to their Afghan brethren displaced by war and conflict. It is gratifying to note that the ambitions of countless Afghan students, including women, doctors, teachers, and IT professionals, have been nourished in the education institutions of Pakistan. Thousands of Afghan students are currently studying in Pakistan. The government of Pakistan remains fully committed to keep this course. We recently announced the Alumni Pulse Scholarship for Afghan students. Under the program, 4,500 fully funded scholarships will be offered to eligible Afghan students to study. In Pakistan, 1,500 of these scholarships have been reserved for Afghan women. This will be further expanded in the coming days. Pakistan would also like to train Afghan women teachers so that education of Afghan girls continues uninterrupted. Ladies and gentlemen, our presence here today reaffirms the great importance that we accord to Afghan women's education. Practical engagement with the interim Afghan government is imperative. We must engage based on mutual trust and cooperation, and what is required is constructive engagement. As a neighbor to Afghanistan, Pakistan will continue to play its part. Thank you.
وزیر خارجہ بلاول بھٹو زرداری
وزیر خارجہ بلاول بھٹو زرداری کا بالی میں کانفرنس سے خطاب۔ انہوں نے کہا کہ پاکستان میں اس وقت ہزاروں افغان طلباء زیر تعلیم ہیں۔ انہوں نے کہا کہ پاکستانی بھائیوں نے اپنے افغان بھائیوں کے لیے اپنے گھروں کا دروازہ کھلا رکھا۔ انہوں نے کہا کہ پاکستان میں اس وقت ہزاروں افغان طلباء زیر تعلیم ہیں۔ یہاں پر وقت ہوا ایک بریک کا، ہمارے ساتھ رہیے۔